When it all comes down to it, and you actually go to see your doctor, how does it work? Well, it's pretty easy. You simply make your appointment, go see your doctor, and remember that you have no copay. So you show them your health plan ID card, and the doctor will bill your insurance provider. You will then get an explanation of benefits in the mail from your insurer. You may get an initial bill from your provider before you get the explanation of benefits. Do not pay this bill. Wait until you get your explanation of benefits, because it will explain how the health plan discounted the services you received. With this information, you can be confident you are paying the correct amount. Once you get the correct amount due, you can send a check, pay cash, or use the debit card that comes with your health savings account and pay the provider directly from the account. Or you can set up a payment plan. Now, paying for your prescriptions works a little differently. When you get to the pharmacy, you simply show your health plan ID card. The pharmacist will access your plan's information and provide you with the discounted prescription price. You can then pay using your HSA debit card. The whole process is very simple and easy to use. Let's face it, traditional health coverage premiums are not going to get any cheaper. In fact, they are likely to go up every year, resulting in higher premiums and copays. Electing a high-deductible health plan will give you power over your own healthcare costs, transparency to help you manage your healthcare choices, and a pre-tax savings account that will be there when you need it.